Other actions include to reduce the climate footprint of our production units, and here we have important parts such as assuring that we have fossil-free energy agreements, that we use solar panels on the roofs, that we recover waste heat from our cooling systems, and that we transition away from fossil fuels to biofuels and electrified things. We also use a life cycle analysis methodology to understand the carbon footprint of our products. And we target to quantify the carbon emissions on a detailed level that are caused by producing our tools. And this data is increasingly being requested by our customers, which is great, since it shows that they really care about the climate impact of the products that they purchase.